description.
Are basically it will be anybody in this state operating with a K designation. King, Cairo, Cookin, some of my favorite radio stations.
All right, hey everybody. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something really interesting. Pick this up at a place called S-Mart. That's right, Shop Smart, Shop S-Mart. I'm not kidding. It's a Asian grocery in Bellevue, Washington. Called S-Mart, just like the one in Army of Darkness. But today we've got this Surasang Toowoomba pasta. Yes, another Toowoomba. It's funny because when the K-Army stew came out and the troops, all the stew came out, and then everybody made their own stew type. And then, currently the Koreans are making Toowoomba pastas. So that's cool, whatever. You fill it to the line. Wow, that's like messing with my eyes. You see the line. Can I just say, it really sucks being like, not being able to see things. Wow, that is so hard for me to see. Freaking jerks. Come on, make these lines more evident. Yep. Okay, a little more. That's gotta be close enough. Okay. And then you do the... Wow, I can't believe how hard it is to see that. Anyways, yeah, today is January 24th, 2024, and tonight I am making a prediction for this evening. Some of you will be interested in hearing it, some of you won't. You'll know because this is in the past for you, but tonight is the State of the Union. I am predicting that Mr. Jammy Pants will do a performance not unlike the Biden debate performance. Ergo, he totally didn't want to say we beat Medicare. But I think Trump is going to say some stuff that makes little to no sense. The guy's old. I get that. Oh, it's not polite. It's like... God. Really? Is that where we're at now? This guy can say grab him by the what have you, but you can't say that he's old and he can't do certain things. I don't know. Where are we? Where am I? Ding, ding, ding. I can do that. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. This stuff, it looks funny. Toowoomba pasta. Chewy Korean fettuccine. Made from durum and rice. Durum wheat and rice. Okay. We'll see what happens. As long as it doesn't taste like Chick-fil-A sauce on noodles, I think we'll be probably doing pretty good. And as long as it doesn't explode. I don't want it to explode. It doesn't appear to be exploding at the moment. We're currently cruising with 2 minutes, 987 seconds. I just want to see it start bubbling. Oh, I think it's bubbling. But yeah, that's my guess. I have a feeling that there's going to be some insanity tonight. I think it'll be something people are still talking about. I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong. But, you know, there's people boycotting it. There's people doing all this stuff. I'm sorry. I think, you know, I think it's possible it'll even get canceled before it even happens. I don't think he can hack it. And if he tries, it's going to be a big embarrassment to him. And he's going to blame everybody but himself on it. Just remember, if it's good, he did it. If it's bad, it's Biden's fault. But anyways, yeah, I went out, did a bunch of walking, came back, ate lunch. You know, the regular. I'm just like totally feeling like I ought to babysit this in the microwave. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's got 49 seconds left. It hasn't exploded. It's spinning. Yeah, I think it'll end up being alright. I don't know, sometimes I just feel like I'd better keep an eye on this sucker or it's gonna get bad. Like this, like right now, I just do not have any faith that at 1,000 watts this isn't gonna like... Oh, here we go. Yep. With 13 seconds left, it was ready to overtop. Okay, let's give him its last 13 seconds. Maybe it won't. Okay, 3 seconds. All right. Okay. Yeah, that was close, folks. And I'm confused now because I didn't feel it that high, but it's like that high now. This is like soup. I don't know what happened here. Maybe I did fill it too high. God, that sucks. If I did. Now it said stir it. The more you stir it, the thicker the sauce gets. So I will stir it. To me, it smells like Alfredo. It doesn't smell very strong. Oh, it is thickening up. Wow. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the packaging. This, you don't look like this. See, it's not supposed to be this soupy crap. Well, at least we have fun music. It sucks because I wanted to use a certain plate of mine. Wow, it really thickens up when you stir it. But I'm pretty sure I just won't be able to use that plate. I just won't be able to use that plate. Yeah, that's a lot of liquid. Okay, well, let's give it a try. Okay. Wow, it just keeps thickening up, thickening up, thickening up. It's not bad. I really wanted to use that plate. So last night, my son did something he's never done before. What's that, you might ask? Well, he doesn't really like anything other than his foods that he's like more akin to usually eating, except now he's like wanting to try all these bulldog varieties. And I kind of racked my brain a little bit. So after I've tried to introduce it to him, he doesn't like soups. Doesn't like soupy noodle. B, he likes spicy. He doesn't like the garnish that comes with stuff, like the little bits of vegetable. That like makes you go, He has like a physical response to it. You can see it a mile away. So I thought, what would he like? I thought, what about like paldo bibimbap? Maybe, because that's cold. Then I thought about it. It's like Indomie. And last night for dinner, he ate a whole bowl of Indomie, which is really quite amazing. I was thinking, like, how can he say no to that? He did say it's a little bit spicy. I'm thinking, like, you've been trying all this bulldog. But he ate the whole bowl of Indomie. That was really unexpected. This stuff's weird. It's ending up with like all this bubbliness, bubblitude. But I think we're good. And I can't use that bowl because there's so much sauciness to it. I don't think I did it wrong. I mean, I may have, but I didn't do it in such a way that I can use the plate I wanted to use. Let me try another bite of this. Now it's all thick. Cheers. I'm just getting fettuccine Alfredo sauce on this. It's not bad. But kind of disappointing, really. I was expecting the whole Toowoomba thing. I will say I'm not disappointed by the fact that it does not taste like Chick-fil-A sauce. But there you go. What we got? Some chicken. Scallion. Okay. Calling it a day with that. Toowoomba. Funny name. Toowoomba. Well, it'll be almost the 4th of July when this comes out. What weirdness will happen from now to then? I don't know. You'll know. And by the time I know, I'll be putting out episodes for September, October. Yeah. I'm from the future, or the past. The days of future past. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Hit up my Patreon if you can. $1 a month would make a big difference. So, yeah. All right. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Cheese,